Hey guys, let's talk about why door knocking is such a sometimes necessary evil, but absolutely phenomenally effective method for lead generation, especially in storm restoration. Think about any other type of lead generation, right? If I wanted to remodel my kitchen, I would get on Google and put kitchen remodeler near me. But when a hailstorm hits, how many people are jumping to their laptop and being like, roofer near me, right? They go out in their driveway, they look at their car, they're like, ah, crap, I got dents in my hood. They look up at their roof, and if they don't see missing shingles and there's not immediate leaks coming in, they're probably not too worried about it, right? There's no object permanence there. So when you're able to go to somebody's door and actually give them enough information to make an educated decision and go, that makes sense. Maybe there is damage up there. Maybe it is better safe than sorry. You can't do that with a postcard. You can't do that with a billboard. You have to be able to do that in person on the doorstep. So I hope that gives you some gas for your door knocking today, and follow me for more tips.